citations to be given to us by the grade 5 pupils. Quincy Jane Panaliton, Happy Health.
Certificate of recognition is given to Elo John S. Estino with honors. Certificate of recognition is given to Jacob E. Menteroso with honors. The same certificate is given to Aisha Nate D. Avelo with honors. She is also a Great Giver awardee. The same citation as with honors is given to Kaisen D. Solenio. Here are the academic achievers. Luzon Chester Acudo. Again, Luzon Chester Acudo is an academic achiever. Our Serdua is an academic achiever. We also have Mustafa Princess Jana Baguio, academic achiever. Another academic achiever is Necesito Israela Harold. We also have another academic achiever, Paradatos Princess May Argon. Another academic achiever is Rian Rivera Rian Blasek. Here are the character praise awardees. Mahenay Albert Ibanez, Portia Skate Award. Peacemaker Award is given to Sophia Kate S. Humawan. Happy Helper Award is given to Apple D. Herrera.
Another Academic Achiever Award and Conduct Award is given to Roderick Lopera. Academic Achiever Balaban Derek Flores. Academic Achiever De La Cruz Christine. Academic Achiever Di Momo Priscilla Alciana T. May magananan na kasi sabay ito. Another Academic Achiever Awardee. Benedicto Axel Rose. Another Academic Chris Martin. Conduct Award given to Kai Frances Lastimosa. Same award is given to Eden Martisano. Same Conduct Award is given to Yana K. Contivalcon. Same Conduct Award is given to Charles A. Cerdova. Same Conduct Award is given to Dexter D. Anelia. Same Conduct Award is given to Jessamine Arribal. Same Conduct Award is given to Amanda Espino. Same Conduct Award is given to Athena J. Lau. Same Conduct Award is given to Marcel Canongo. Same Conduct Award is given to Ira Esclarion. That's all for Javier Tac.
One, two, three. With honors, Extra Miler Award, Batang Magalang Award, with Perfect Attendance Award. Christian Gallego, Happy Helper Award, and with honors.
With honors and also received Conduct Award, and she was also recognized as school journalist. And she will also receive a certificate of recognition. Next, with honors, Vidaha Chris Ann P. And Conduct Awardee. Next, Guzon Yomar B. The Academic Achiever Awardee, Guzon Yomar B. And also received a Conduct Award. Also received a Conduct Achiever Award, Beatriz Ella Claire L. Raihan Nolin Cerdova, Academic Achiever Award. Aldea Prince AJ S, Academic Achiever Award. Gani Josh Marco Hakulbi, Academic Achiever Awardee, and also received the Conduct Award. Academic Achiever Awardee, Deles Fiona Faith S. Academic Achiever Awardee, Mahinay Jamela B, and also received the Conduct Award. Yannes Azarel M, Academic Achiever Awardee. Gervasio John Russell, Academic Achiever Award. Faburada Hershey, Academic Achiever Award. And Bato Malaki John Ray Q, Academic Achiever Award. Conduct Awardee, Manuel Lara G. C. Bahi and Benjamin A. Marcosa Gia C. Barnaya Janea K. C. Levio Brena G. Osinelia Janeline and Ordalisa Mike P. That's all for grade 4 by Joseph. Thank you and congratulations.
Dala tanan. Naa pa diri sa tubangan. Pwede mo naog para madala sa picture. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Awardees. With high honors and conduct award, Ramos Mary Catherine Lee. And another certificate of participation. This certificate is presented to Ramos Mary Catherine for his participation during the 2025 Regional Schools Press Conference held at the City Hall, Helen Arena City Hall from February 24 to 28, 2025. With honors and conduct award. Galas Taylor O. Bagor Dixon. With honors and conduct award. Bahian Chulime with honors and conduct award. Makahito Kendrick Zaccheo A with honors and conduct award. Another one with
Titos and titas, and also the students. Congrats again! So congrats! Walay palakpak diha. So kanunod na mo sa nailapod nga level. So usapato ka ng mo level up na inyong grade school. So unang-una, dako gid kayo tuwang pasalamat karong panahona sa atuang labawng makagagahon nga natagan pa niya og maayo nga panahon aron maka celebrate sa atuang recognition fee. Atong palakpakan ang atong labawng makagagahon. No, despite naman sa atuang naaguman karon, ang atuang kalamitan gabi na ginatuang bulkan ganihang alas 12 yan burutol pa siya. Dili makapugong ang bulkan sa atuang celebrar sa atuang edukasyon mao gini ang pinaka-importante. So ang nasunod po kanang kwanta siya nakasilibrar ang ubang na schools nga nasunod sa 6 kilometers dili gyud sila kasilibrar ingon ani ron diri sa atua nga makita nato ang mga talento.
So I